Ever feel like your YouTube videos are flatlining? Like viewers are bouncing off faster than a cat on a hot tin roof after stepping on a Lego? Yeah, me too. I've spent countless nights fueled by coffee and self-doubt, staring at those disheartening analytics, endlessly wondering where I went wrong in this vast and confusing algorithm-driven landscape. But then, in the depths of my despair, it hit me like a bolt of lightning illuminating a darkened room. It wasn't the fancy editing, the eye-catching thumbnails, or even the meticulously crafted clickbait titles that were causing my videos to fall flat. It was the story, or rather the lack thereof, that was leaving my viewers cold and uninterested. Think about your favorite movies, the ones that stay with you long after the credits roll. They're not just a series of random events strung together haphazardly. No, they're epic tales filled with relatable characters, heroes who face seemingly insurmountable challenges, embark on transformative journeys, discover hidden strengths and resilience within themselves, and ultimately, against all odds, achieve their goals. What if I told you that your YouTube videos could be just as captivating as those cinematic masterpieces, that with a little ingenuity and storytelling magic, you could transform those dwindling watch times and disinterested viewers into an engaged audience, hanging on your every word? Determined to crack the code of captivating content, I embarked on a deep dive into the vast and fascinating world of storytelling, meticulously studying everything from ancient myths and legends passed down through generations to modern-day cinematic blockbusters that capture the hearts and imaginations of millions. And in this immersive exploration, I stumbled upon a secret weapon, a hidden structure, a framework that, when wielded with finesse, has the power to transform any ordinary video into an unmissable, unforgettable experience. It's called The Hero's Journey, a timeless narrative structure that has resonated with audiences for centuries and serves as the backbone of every great story, whether it be a blockbuster movie, a best-selling novel, or even, dare I say, a YouTube video. It all begins with the status quo, the familiar and comfortable everyday life of your viewer, a world they know and understand. Then, we introduce a problem, a challenge, a call to adventure.
The proposition's this. You'd be interested in fighting Apollo Creed for the World Heavyweight Championship?
That disrupts their ordinary existence and sets them on a path of transformation. With the right assistance, guidance from a wise mentor or a supportive friend, they prepare for the journey ahead. Next comes the departure, where they leave the ordinary world behind and step into the unknown, the special world. Along this exciting and unpredictable journey, they'll encounter numerous trials and tribulations, testing their skills, their courage, and their resolve. But with a clever approach, a unique perspective, or a creative solution, they'll face the crisis, a moment of truth where everything seems lost, where their dreams hang in the balance. Overcoming this daunting challenge, they'll discover the treasure, a solution to their problem, a newfound skill, a deeper understanding of themselves, or perhaps a brighter future. But the hero's journey doesn't end with the discovery of the treasure. Oh no, there's so much more to explore. We delve into the result, the profound transformation that the hero undergoes, the lessons they've learned, the newfound strength they've acquired, and the lasting impact of their adventure. This is followed by the return, the triumphant homecoming, where they reintegrate back into their ordinary world, but now with a fresh perspective. They embark on their new life, carrying a renewed sense of purpose and a wealth of knowledge to share. And finally, we arrive at the resolution, the satisfying conclusion where everything comes together. Loose ends are tied up, conflicts are resolved, and the hero's journey comes full circle.
Rocky Balboa has shocked the world! He is the new heavyweight champion of the world!
Leaving a lasting impression on the audience. The journey culminates with the status quo, now transformed by the hero's experiences. This very video that you're generously devoting your time to watching right now, it was meticulously crafted and built upon this exact hero's journey structure, a blueprint for captivating storytelling. I embarked on this journey together with you, starting with the shared frustration of watching those precious viewers dwindle away like sand slipping through our fingers. Then, like a beacon of hope in a vast and uncertain sea, I introduced the hero's journey as a potential solution, a path towards creating content that resonates and compels. You, my brave companions, have faced numerous trials along this path, enduring my cringeworthy attempts at humor and my questionable acting skills with unwavering patience and understanding. And now, after navigating through these challenges together, we find ourselves on the precipice of discovery, approaching the treasure that awaits us at the end of this transformative journey. Here it is, the coveted blueprint, the key to unlocking the secrets of captivating creating content, the hero's journey. This versatile framework, this tried and tested narrative structure, has the power to transform your videos, to elevate them from mundane to mesmerizing. And the most exciting part? It's not just reserved for big-budget Hollywood blockbusters. No, this powerful tool is adaptable and accessible to creators of all kinds. Whether you're crafting informative tutorials, sharing your life experiences through vlogs, or offering insightful reviews, the hero's journey can be seamlessly integrated into any type of video, breathing life and energy into your content and captivating your audience from start to finish. So, are you ready to become the hero of your own YouTube channel? To take your viewers on an unforgettable journey that keeps them coming back for more? This proven formula should surely help on your unique journey. Hope you learned something new today, and this video I made provided you some value. Subscribe to gain access to cracking the social media code exclusively on Mastery Manuals, and I will see you in the next one.